everyone, and welcome. This is Chloe from Cousin DIY. Labor Day is not far away, and in anticipation of celebrating Labor Day, we are going to make some Labor Day earrings. We're going to use floss and just a couple of little tiny beads, little red ones, E-beads, and some ear wires. To get started, I'm going to cut a 12-inch length of blue cord. Now I'm going to thread this cord onto the loop of one of the ear wires, right up to the middle. And we're going to use this little needle threader today to pull that cord through this little E-bead. So we're going to open the threader wide enough for both ends of our floss cord to go through. I'm going to pull it. And next we're going to carefully tie an overhand knot so that it's going to rest right up against the bottom of our E-bead. Just like that. The next step is to tape the ear wire and the bottom of the cord to our work surface. Now, I have pre-cut 28 4-inch lengths of each red, white, and blue cord. I'm going to take one red, one white, and one blue, join them together evenly, fold them in half, and I'm going to slide that fold underneath this cord, bringing these ends together. I'm going to repeat, and I'm going to take another red, white, and blue length of our floss cord, join those together evenly, and this time, so I'm making a loop here, I'm going to take the ends and I'm going to slide the ends through the loop of the first set of cords, and then the ends of that through the loop of this set, and pull, and then slide it up to the top. We're going to repeat that 14 times, 13 more times. So I'll demonstrate how to do this a couple more times. Red, white, and blue. Join them together evenly. We are going to be trimming this in the end, so if it's not absolutely evenly, it won't matter in the end. Slide that loop under. Get another set of red, white, and blue. Fold that in half. Take these ends, they'll go through that loop, and these ends go through this loop, and we pull, slide them up. I'll show you one more row of these. It's very simple. Underneath, the ends together. Ends go through that loop. These ends go through this loop and pull. So we have 3 of 14 done. I'm going to go ahead and do this 11 more times. Okay, we have the basics of one earring completed. I'm going to go ahead and make the matching earring, and then I'm going to trim them both at the same time so they'll be symmetrical. So hang on and I'll be right back. Now that I have the second earring, mostly completed, I'm going to leave the tape on the top. I'm going to start by removing the tape on the bottom of one of the earrings. Come on. And I'm going to take the 2 blue middle strands of floss, and I'm going to form an overhand knot, making sure that knot is going to rest right up against the bottom of all the other knots we made. And that is going to anchor that middle cord and prevent these from sliding off. Now let's do the same with the other. The next step, I'm going to take a comb and you're going to hold the spine of your leaf or your feather with one hand. And then you're just going to try to comb these out just a little bit so they're a little softer and they start to the strands unwind a little bit because they're kind of twisted. So once again, I'm going to tape at the bottom of the middle cords down. And some people, this could either be considered feathers or leaves. So there's no right or wrong. You can shape these however you prefer. And it can also be helpful to measure. I know these are about 1 3/8. And the next step is to take the tape off the bottom. And comb through those center blue strands. Try to separate those a little bit. There we go. And same on the other side. Same on the other earring. You could probably use an even finer tooth comb if you have one. But you do want to make sure that you stabilize these knots whenever you're combing through, because you don't want to lose any of your floss. Let's see what they look like. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to celebrate Labor Day. I'm going to go for a walk around the block wearing my new earrings. I hope you all have a happy Labor Day, a safe Labor Day, and if you choose to make some Labor Day earrings, please share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time. Bye.